A 2019 survey from LendingTree suggests that 87% of college students have a student checking account, of which 78% are the sole account holder. Only 17% share a joint account with their parents. Are you a parent thinking of opening a student checking account in Bank of America for your child? Or perhaps you're a student getting ready for college and are thinking about opening a student account, but you're not sure how to do that. If you fit either of those descriptions, then this video is for you. Whether you're an American citizen or have come to the United States to study for a few years, opening a Bank of America student account is a great idea because it has a presence near many college campuses. However, the process of opening a Bank of America student account is a bit complicated, and there are some things that you need to consider before opening a student checking account. But you don't need to worry because in this video, we have covered everything in detail. So watch this video to the end. Our mission at Smart Money is to give our viewers the motivation to make more money and the skills to keep it. For the best financial tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post a video twice weekly. Things to consider before opening a Bank of America student account. Type of account. Advantage Safe Balance. This account is not a traditional checking account in the sense that it doesn't offer the ability to write checks. But then again, when was the last time anybody under 40 wrote a check? This account has a $4.95 monthly fee, which can be waived for students under 24 years old. The account has no overdraft fees, which helps students not spend more money than they have. Bank of America requires a $25 minimum deposit to open this account. Service charges. Before opening an account, pay close attention to which services are free and which will cost you extra money. Consider your banking habits and choose an account that doesn't charge you extra money for things you don't need on a regular basis. As mentioned previously, Bank of America doesn't charge a monthly fee to students who are below 25 years old and are enrolled in high school, college, university, or vocational program. With that said, you'll need to provide proof of enrollment at the time of opening an account. Though providing this information will waive your monthly maintenance fee until you reach 25 years of age, you'll need to pay the $25 minimum deposit amount for opening the account. ATM access. Generally, the bank will charge you money if you make a withdrawal from another banking institution's ATM. So before you open an account with Bank of America, ensure that there's a Bank of America ATM or branch near your campus. Doing this will save you a lot of time and money. Bank of America is a very big bank, and they are very likely to have ATMs or branches on or near your campus. But it never hurts to check. Currently, the Bank of America student account charges a $2.50 fee for using a non-Bank of America ATM in the United States and a $5 fee in other countries. So by keeping this in mind, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars in fees over your scholastic career. Furthermore, your debit check card can also function as an ATM card. Perks and benefits. Usually, banks provide various benefits to students in order to get them to open accounts. Banks do this in the hope that once students graduate, they will keep their accounts open. Banks provide students with perks like no minimum balance requirement, free checks, a free debit card, online banking, and free ATM transactions. Bank of America routinely offers a $100 bonus for their student account to members who qualify. This offer is not guaranteed to be available at the time you're watching this, so be sure to check with the website. In order to qualify, you'll have to open an account through the promotional page and set up and receive 2 qualifying direct deposits of $250 or more into that account within 90 days of opening. This is a great option for students who have jobs or are involved in work-study programs because they'll get a few extra dollars simply for opening up their accounts. Fraud liability. Though it's become increasingly important in an era of cyber theft, fraud liability is one thing that most people forget to check for while opening a bank account. The Bank of America student account provides you with added protection as your debit card comes with a $0 liability guarantee. Bank of America's website says, "You're not liable for unauthorized transactions made using your consumer debit card as long as you report them promptly." So in the event that your card gets lost or stolen, you're not responsible for the fraudulent activities and unauthorized transactions. If this happens, you should contact the bank and report the theft or loss to them as soon as possible. Bank of America also provides you with an option to temporarily lock and unlock your debit card with internet banking. This is an excellent feature for you if you think you have lost your card, but you want to search for it before you actually report it to the bank. Transferring money and depositing checks. Nowadays, everyone is searching for convenient ways to manage their bank accounts. So Bank of America allows you the ability to transfer money and deposit checks remotely. If you don't have time to visit the bank because you're busy between class and work, you can use internet banking to manage your account without going to the bank. You can use internet banking to check your balance, transfer money, set up bill pay, and some other things. You can download the Bank of America app on your smartphone and manage your account from anywhere you want. How to open a Bank of America student account. Opening a Bank of America student account is not very difficult. Once you've selected the Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance account, all you have to do is follow our step-by-step guide. Gather your documents. You will need the following documents to open a student account in Bank of America: Social Security number and date of birth of all account holders, phone number and email address, physical U.S. address, no post office boxes, account information for funding your new account. If you open your account offline at the branch, you will need 2 forms of ID, which can be a driver's license, state-issued ID, or passport. Fill out the application. Visit the Bank of America website and start filling out the account application. Fill in the required information and also attach the necessary documents to prevent denial of the application. Fund the account. Last, to complete the Bank of America student account creation process, you simply need to fund your account. You can either transfer money from an existing bank account or pay via cash or debit card. Pros and cons of Bank of America for students. Pros: access to physical branches. Available in all 50 states. Interest yielding account. Free debit card and the option to lock and unlock the card if lost or stolen. No charge on incoming domestic wire transfers. Offers a $100 bonus. Cons: service fees are quite high. Opening a Bank of America student account is an excellent choice for most students because of 2 reasons. There's no monthly fee, and the ATMs and branches are available near most college campuses. I hope this video provides you with useful information that you should know before opening a Bank of America student account. Are you looking to go from deep in debt to debt-free in investing but don't know how? Get my free ebook and start your debt-free journey today. I'll tell you the 3 weird steps you need to take to begin your debt-free journey, link in the description. Check out these videos on your screen on how to improve your finances. If you like this video, hit the like button, it helps out a lot. Be sure to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Check the links in the description for offer information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.